Hey, let me show you how we can fix this pairing issue with your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro and your Android smartphone. But it will also probably works if you have the iOS devices like iPhone or iPad. So first of all, what I can recommend you to swipe up when you have this notification. Okay, it's actually cannot do this by click to try again. Now, just swipe up, select system and select this option, reset. Then click on it one more time. And what we have to do next, I can definitely recommend you to go into the Play Store, find this Mi Fitness application and simply click to uninstall. There's also the chance that you have the outdated version of the Mi Fitness app. So if it is actually outdated, you will have to actually select this button to update. But in my case, I'm up to date, so all I have to do is just to open this application. Next, on your phone, you have to be sure that you turn on the Bluetooth settings and the location settings. So we can go into the main settings on your phone, go into the Bluetooth and simply enable it. Also, you can find the location just right here, turn it on. And next, you will have to select the language to set it up. So select this one, for example. And now, as you can see, we have to download this Mi Fitness application on the phone. Now our Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro is actually in the pairing mode. So we have to actually open this Mi Fitness application. Just right here. And now from this, you will have to actually select device and click to add device. Now from this, select your Smart Band 8 Pro, but if for some reason it's not visible, you can click to add model, and from this list you can select Smart Band 8 Pro. Now when you have this pairing code, just accept it on your watch and pair on the smartphone, and now as you can see, we are successfully connected. So that's how we can do this. Right now you can tell me in the comments if it works. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.